Hi everyone, welcome again to another session of Minds Group Tech. Today we are here to start our series on virtual hard drives. Being the first part of the series, we will be trying to understand how to create a virtual hard disk using Computers Management Console. Let's open our Computers Management Console. Go to Disk Management. Right click on Disk Management and say create a VHD file. On clicking create VHD link, we will be presented with a dialog with some fields to be filled in. Very first field will be location of the VHD file with the name of the file. I am going to give some name to it and the extension. The second thing, we have to specify the size of this particular VHD file. We will tell it that let this VHD be of 20 GB and the file format will be VHD, and we will make it dynamically expanding. What is the difference between fixed size and dynamic expanding is that the fixed size VHD file will be storing a complete file size on your physical hard drive as of 20 GB in this particular case. Whereas in dynamically expanding, the minimal space required for a VHD to be created will be utilized from your physical hard drive, and as and when you put more data to this particular VHD, the file will be growing up to 20 GB. So for this particular demo, let's create first one 20 GB hard drive dynamically expanding and see what happens. I have created this particular VHD now, and the file is attached as a raw hard drive to the system. We have to initialize it and then we have to create a volume in it. That's done. So once the drive is formatted, it is available in the system as a F drive. Let's see what we have. We have a F drive created over there and we have a file created over there. So you can see that we have specified the file size, the hard drive size as 20 GB, but it is actually nothing but a file with some 100 MB storage. So as and when we will put more data to it, it will grow, expand. For example, if I go and copy this particular 82 MB VHD file in my F drive and come back to C drive to see the size has been expanded. This is how this particular VHD file expands. Now let's go and create a fixed size VHD. I will not create a big VHD, but yeah, for demo, let's create one VHD of fixed size on C drive. Of 1 GB and make it fixed. The VHD is created and attached to the system. We have to initialize as the previous step we have done, and we have to create a new simple volume in it. Once the drive is ready, it will be mounted as a volume on our system. And if I go over here, I have a G drive with some predefined size on my C drive. I can show you over here that the file is already a 1 GB file, which will not change its size if I place some file in it. So this is how we created one VHD file in the system, and it is available as volumes to our system. So let's start our next session, where we will be seeing another way of creating a VHD file. See you in next session.